So, what kind of sounds do you think of when you think of the pond? Yes, Catherine.
Frogs.
Yeah. What kind of sound does a frog make?
Rivet.
Actually, different frogs all make different sounds. So does anyone know why a frog is croaking? Yes, Sheila.
To attract a mate.
Yes! Frogs are croaking in the springtime to find their mates. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to pass out these little frog cards of some local frogs, and maybe a couple non-local. Go ahead and wear them like necklaces. Every frog has a different sound. So when we play this game, you can only hop when you hear your sound. Miss Catherine, you are a bullfrog, so anytime you hear... Great tree frog, Miss Molly. So anytime you hear... And when it's coming from this, not from the actual world.
Okay. 2 hops?
Christina, 2 hops. Okay. You're a spring peeper. That is you. So anytime you hear... Take a couple hops. All right. So as a reminder, when you hear your call, you can take 2 hops forward. If your hop is so large that you trip and fall over, however, you're going to have to get sent back to the front of the line. Also, if you move when someone else's call goes off, you will be sent to the start of the line as well. Your final goal is this blacktop right here, which is theoretically a pond.
Oh, wow.
That was actually the bullfrog's call. One other thing I should mention, if your call goes and you don't hop, I forgot to mention this before, you also get sent to the back of the line.